is Alberto Doroteo-Reyes, and today I will be talking about my technology internship experience at PNC Bank within the city of Birmingham, Alabama. So, with that, I am ready for the first question.
Tell me a bit about your internship.
So yeah, over the past 10 weeks, I worked at interned at PNC Bank as a technology intern with the enterprise technology team. And so one of the challenges I was faced with was how to track objectives and key results, OKRs for short. So the existing process that they already had it was very difficult to monitor performance for strategic goals. So it often resulted in inconsistent data and unreliable reporting. And so my main project was just to design and build a solution for a fix to this. So I got some hands-on experience with using Microsoft Power Apps and also to create a model-driven app that organizes and stores these OKRs for the enterprise strategy team. So it's a different line of business. So the goal was to create just a centralized and intuitive system to replace the inconsistent methods that were used before with Smart Sheets and Microsoft Excel.
Important technical thing you learned. Describe the most important technical thing you learned during your internship and why it was so important.
So yeah, the most important technical skill I learned was how to build a model-driven app. So using Microsoft Power Platform, I learned about database design and software development. So this was my first experience with a low-code platform that was is used in mostly the financial industry. So it's more than just dragging and dropping components onto the screen. I got to learn just how to connect data and data modeling with Microsoft Dataverse. So I learned how to configure the interfaces as shown in my poster, and also how to design dashboards to show key data efficiently.
Beyond the platform itself, what is the most important non technical thing you learned?
So yeah, the most important non-technical thing I learned was how to collaborate within an agile framework. So our team really worked with sprints, Jira boards, daily stand-ups, and just iterative feedback throughout the day. So in class, I never really got the experience to use agile. So getting that experience in my internship was really helpful, and it really helped me how to articulate my progress and also explain roadblocks effectively that I was facing throughout the internship. And so I understand how my work on Microsoft Power Apps really does fit into the team's goal overall. So um, I think that was the most important non-technical thing I learned.
What do you feel most proud of that you accomplished during your internship?
Yeah, so my proudest accomplishment was delivering the final app itself, the OKR app. Um, it really just provided a centralized dashboard, and it just showed key data as shown in my poster. It allowed users to filter information instead of just like trying to find through files or smart sheets, just manually trying to find something. It's just all interactive and editable within the OKR um, team goal app. So I'm really proud of this because this solution really did solve core problems that the team was facing, and so building this app I think was the most proudest thing I've done. So yeah.
How did you approach a significant technical roadblock you encountered?
So yeah, a major roadblock I think I hit was probably trying to structure the data relationships in the back end and trying to tie them to the front end. So getting working with Dataverse and the Power Platform, I needed to link an objective to multiple key results. And so my initial data model that I had in mind wasn't really effective. And so to solve this, I went back to just the basics that I learned, and I just mapped out the relationships of an objective and a key result on the whiteboard, defining the tables and columns that were needed. So I researched Microsoft's best practices for schema designs in Dataverse. And so from there, I implemented a proper one-to-many relationship. So one objective has many key results, and many key results just have one objective. So taking the time to just step back and redesign the database was really critical. So it taught me that being having a successful application really meant just having structured database. So it's better to get it right the first time than trying to fix it later and getting really mixed up with your team. Overall, this was a really nice experience. I really want to thank Berea College and the computer science department for allowing me to take uh, this experience for academic credit, and trying to push me to bring that experience I learned from my job to the academic world, and the academic world to the professional setting. So I'm really happy for the opportunity, and thank you, Dr. Jen and Dr. Nakazawa, for your support throughout the experience.